Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook business page name. This is useful when you're rebranding, correcting a typo, or simply updating your business identity to better reflect what you do. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log into your Facebook business account using your credentials. After you've logged in, you'll land on your business homepage. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your account. From that drop-down menu, locate and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another set of options. From there, click on Settings again. This takes you into the core configuration area where you can control various aspects of your Facebook business presence. Once you're in the settings section, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the settings you can customize within your Facebook business account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Audience and Visibility. Click on it to expand the options within that category. Within Audience and Visibility, locate and click on Page Setup. This is where you can manage fundamental aspects of your business page, including your page name. Once you're in Page Setup, find the option that says Name and click on it. This will bring you to the page where your current Facebook business name is displayed. Here's where you'll make the actual change. You'll see your current business name listed, and next to it, there should be an Edit button. Click on Edit to begin changing your business name. Before you proceed, there's something important you need to know. Facebook only allows you to change your page name once every 60 days, so be extremely careful and accurate when making this change. Double-check your spelling, capitalization, and formatting to ensure everything is exactly how you want it. This restriction is in place to prevent frequent changes that could confuse your audience or be used for misleading purposes. Once you've typed in your new business name and verified that everything is correct, confirm the change. Facebook may take a moment to process this update, so be patient while the system saves your new name. Your business page will now reflect the updated name across the platform. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Facebook business page name while being mindful of the 60-day restriction. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.